Hello, my friend. Today I show you how to make a Кейп-Код cocktail. First, you take a cup full of ice. You put it down here. You got your cranberry juice. You got your lemon or lime. And you got your vodka right here. Good Russian vodka makes very good cocktail. You take your cup. Give me the milk. You do 1 cup of this right here. There's 1. There goes 2. Next, you put in the vodka. You do 1/2 cup of vodka. Then you put it in here. You just put a little bit of this stuff. Just a little bit. It'll be pretty good, I promise. Then you give it a good shake and shake. And then you put it in here. You get a good spoon. Then you stir it up. And it'll be pretty good.